Ooh, sexy. Hey, YouTube gals and guys. Last December, I recorded a video of me picking up a flat deck car hauler, tandem axle, 7,000 pound, something I'm gonna put to a lot of use. I made a short video of it and I'm putting it up now. Hope you enjoy it. So I'm on my way to finally get a trailer, one that I can use to haul cars with. This has been a long time coming. I've been waiting a long time for this. I've got so much utility planned for this thing. I've got 4 vehicles in Vancouver I need to move and a whole bunch of materials for the workshop I gotta buy. So I'm going to see Nanaimo Trailers to get my hands on a 14-foot tandem axle, 7,000 pound trailer. And I am extremely excited. All right, so this is the place. Nanaimo Trailers and some kind of wholesale business. Got my monies from the bank. Gonna go do some spending, get some utility. It's gonna make a big difference in a lot of my projects. Oh, there she is. She's a 7,000 pound tandem axle, electric brake, flat deck, lots of hitches, hidden ramps down the side. Probably get myself a winch set up, hook up to the battery. I got her all hooked up to the path grinder. Poor little girl's gonna be working hard today. Well, I'm super happy with this trailer right now. It tows like a dream. I can barely tell that it's behind the path grinder, other than a little bit of shaking sometimes with the inertia and a little less acceleration, which makes sense with a 2,000 pound trailer hanging off its ass. But yeah, it runs great. It's a good little trailer. I'm super happy about it. And I'm looking forward to doing a lot of stuff with it. And as always, thanks for watching.